Number 21. Lionel tosses 3 fair number cubes. Each number cube is labeled 1 through 6. What is the probability that all 3 number cubes will land on an even number? Well, because we're talking about 3 events, this is compound probability. And because we're rolling number cubes, whatever we land on the first time cannot affect what we land on the second time. So these are independent events. So what we need to do on compound independent probability is find the probability of each single event and multiply them out. So let's start with the first event. We want the probability of landing on an even number on that number cube. Well, our options on the number cube is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So there are 6 options that we have to choose from, but only 2, 4, and 6 are even. And that is 3 out of the 6 numbers are even. So we're going to take that fraction and multiply it. Well, the second event is still trying to find the probability of landing on an even number, so it's still going to be 3 over 6. And finally, the third time is still trying to find the probability of landing on an even number, so we're still using the probability of 3 over 6. And to find the probability that will happen in that order, that will land on an even number each time, we multiply the probabilities together. So 3 times 3 times 3 is 27. And 6 times 6 times 6 is 216. Well, these can be reduced. So we must reduce it to get our final answer. So 27 over 216 can both be divided by 9. So 27 divided by 9 is 3. 216 divided by 9 is 24. Now it's still not completely simplified, because we know there's a number that can go into 3 and 24, and that is the number 3. So 3 divided by 3 is 1, and 24 divided by 3 is 8. So the probability that this will occur is 1 out of 8.